Hi, thank you very much for being here. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make a Shopify website. Actually, this overall video consists of some parts. Let's come to the first part and learn how to do Shopify website in a right way. In this part, I'm gonna teach you how to set up a Shopify store and customize it. Come to the computer screen, you have to type shopify.com here. You will find such type of interface. In here you have to log in or you have to sign up. If you don't have the account, you have to sign up, and if you want to sign up and start a free trial, then you have to click here. I'm going to click here. You will see different options like I am just starting, I already selling online, I'm just starting. You have to select this and click the next. Here you will find different option. Where would you like to sell? If you want to sell online only, if you want to sell on social media also, you have to check it. If you want to sell in person, if you have existing website, you will click here. And if you have to sell on marketplace, eBay, Google, Amazon, you will select this. I'm not sure. If you do not have sure about that, you will select this. Click next. Now social channels, do you want to sell on? You have to select this. I want to sell on all channels. Click next. Which online marketplace do you want to sell? I want to sell on Google, Amazon, eBay, Easty, and click the next. Here, what do you plan to sell first? Product I buy or make myself, drop shipping products, point on demand products, digital products, services. You have to select this according to your requirement or your company policy or your. Now you have to click next. Here we go. Now you will put the name of your store. Let me name it Shop Now. Next. Now you have to select the region where you are in the world. I'm in Pakistan. Click next. Now you have to create a Shopify ID. I'm going to log in with Google. Here is my email. My store is getting ready. You have to wait for a while. Here we go. Now we will customize this online store. Here is our Shopify dashboard, and we have to go to online store, and in online store you have to select the theme option, and in theme option you will see such type of interface and your installed theme will appear here. You have to click the customize button. Now you can see the interface in center of the screen. You will find all of the theme options, and here you will find individual items, and in right side you will find some customization option. For example, if you want to change the banner image, then you have to click here. You will see some heading and image size here, and if you want to change the text, you will see this description here, and you can easily change it from here. Let me do it one by one. First of all, I'm going to header and going to change some header settings. Here is color scheme, background one. You have multiple color scheme. You can select one of them and play with it, which will be good for you. You can select it from here. Now you have to select the logo from here. I'm going to change it. You can change it default logo, square logo, or cover logo. Whatever you want, you can change it. Here is the custom logo width. Here is the position, and here is the main menu. You can change this main menu, home, catalog, according to your requirement. And this is the drop down, a separator line you want to show or you don't want to show. You can select it from here. Enable sticker header. Do you want sticker header or not? You can select it from here. You can see the spacing, bottom margin, top margin. Select it from here. Play with these options and check its effect here. Now I'm going to change. Here is the announcement bar. You can change the announcement bar also, and here is the announcement bar. You can change the header. You can change the banner image. Let me change this. Select image. You can select it from the library or you can upload it. I'm going to upload it from my desktop. Let me select a picture from here. You can see this image. You can delete it, you can upload it, and image is selected now. Now you can change this text also from here. Like I'm going to change it product. You can change this text also. I'm going to, and you can change this button, shop all products. It is linking to all products. You can link into pages, blogs, or a specific page. Now look at this portion. You can change this heading. Here you can see talk about your brand. You can put some text here. You can bold it, italic it. You can resize heading, small, large, extra large. Put some text here according to your company requirements or your store requirements. Now come to this feature collection portion. You can see when you will select this portion, you can see options here, like you can change its heading from here. You can change heading size. You can put some description here. You can see description will go here, and if required, show collection description from the admin. You can put it here. You can check this option also. You can change the styles, body, subtitle, uppercase, whatever you will be your requirement. You can select it from here. Here is a collection, or you can change it. You can change the collection. You can remove the collection, but I am going to retain it. You cannot see any product here because at this time I haven't added any product in this store. Now you can change the backgrounds from here. You can change solid button, link, outline button. If I click the outline button, you can see the effect here. Now play with these options also. Adopt images, columns, padding, or bottom padding. You can change it from here. Okay, now I am going to retain it. You can remove this section also, but I am not going to do this at this time. Now the third portion, you can change the collection name, select collection. You can put it home page. You can create the collection here. Here is a collection portion, and you can create this collection from here. These are the product title. Select product. You can select any product. I haven't any product at this time, so you can create the product. And here is a collection name. If you want to put some collection, you can set it up. Here is a video. You can add any video. For example, here is a link for for this sample case. You can change the link from here. You can put the link of your video. You can select the cover image for this. For example, I'm going to select this image for the cover. You can see here the image, but I am not going to do this. You can put the video alt text, background, and same like the padding. In the third portion, you have some text options. You can change it according to your requirements. Same procedure is, you have to select the same procedure from here. You can see it. Now here is the quick link button. You can select footer menu. You can change the heading. You can select the menu from here. I haven't any menu at this time, but you can change. You can change menu. You can remove menu from here. You can put some info here, like can change the title from here. I'm going to, and your mission will goes here. And here is a subscription button. You can also change it according to your requirement. So this is a way to customize your Shopify theme in a simplest and easy way. After changing all the things, you have to save your theme. Here is the admin panel of my Shopify, and you have to go to online store, and here you will find pages option. Here we go. Now you have to add a new page, name it about us, and put some text about the introduction of your company. In my case, I'm pasting some sample text here. You can add images here. You can add video here. Whatever you want to add, you can easily add it here. If you have your company introduction in a video, you can insert the video. You have to click here and here you have to put the code of your video. Let me do it. Here is it. I am share and embed. Here is the code. You have to copy this and put it in your store. You can see your videos here. Now after designing all the about us page, you have to save this. Now you can view this. Here is our about us page. Let me show you how it works. Here is the admin panel of your Shopify. You have to go to setting, and in settings you have to click the policies. Here is it. Click this. Now you can see some text boxes here: refund policy, privacy policy, term and conditions, shipping policies. If your company have your own policies, you can put the text here, but if you don't have and want the text, you have to create from template. Here we go. Now you have to fill these fields in the same way. You can create from these templates, read it carefully and change where it necessary. In the same way, you can insert terms of services and shipping policy and contact information. You can easily put it here. After putting it all, you have to save the policies. Here is the admin panel of my Shopify, and I have to go to online store, and in online store you will find pages option. Click this. Here is the contact us page. Click this page. Here you can edit the content of this page. Let me change it to contact us and put some contact information like and then save your page. Here is the admin panel of your Shopify store, and in left side you will find option of products. Click here. Here you will find all the products you have added to your store. I'm going to add a new product. You have to click add product. Here we go. Now we have to fill this form. Let's come to the title. For example, our product is pizza. We have to write the pizza here. Here you will put some description. In my case, I am going to put some dummy text here. Media files, pictures for this. Let's suppose I'm going to put this image here. Now pricing 1000, comparison prices 9000, cost per item, let's suppose 5000 cost. Oh sorry, it's 800 and cost is 200. So it's 80% margin for this product. You can see the real-time calculation here. Now you have to put some inventory. If you have a stock keeping unit or barcode, you can put it here. Continue selling when out of stock. You can check this according to your requirement. Shop location availability. You have to put the inventory here. Let's suppose I'm putting it 100. Shipping weight, you have to put weight of product here. You have to select the country from here. In my case, I'm going to put Pakistan. If you have some harmonized code, you will put it here. If your product have variant, then you will select this checkbox. Like size, I'm going to put it small, done, and medium and large. Now you have to put the done here. Size, done. You can edit it. Now you can see the variant that you have created. You can put its prices, like small is of 500 and it is of 800 and this is of 1000. Put its picture here. Let's suppose I want to put some dummy pictures here. Add image. Add image. Now you will select this and done. Now here select this and done. Now here, select this and done. Here is the search engines listening. Now come to the right side, your productive active or draft. If you want to publish this, then you have to select the active. Sales channels and product category. This is food beverage. You can select it according to your requirement. Product type, you can put food here, and if you have some collection, you can put it here. And tags, if you have some tags like pizza, fast food. Now we have two tags. So this is a way to add the product in your Shopify store. Now after setting up all options, you have to save this. Now you can see when we click the product, I have two products now. Here's the admin panel of my Shopify. You have to go to product, and in product you will find the option of collection. Click this option. Here we go. We have two selection at this time. If you want to create a new one, create the collection, create the title of collection, write summer collection or something like that. I'm going to test 2, and you will find some description about this text here. Collection type, manual or automated. If you will click the manual, you will select the products manually, and if you will select the automated, the product will be automatically transferred to this collection according to these criteria like product care tags and price and weight and something like that. So this is a way to create the collection. You can add the collection image also. Let me put some random image here. After setting it up, you have to save it. Now the collection is ready. Click the collection. Now you can see we have another collection is here. Here is the admin panel of my Shopify, and you have to go to online store. Here you will find option navigation, and here you will find different menus. In my case, here is my main menu, and I am going to make it drop down. Click it. Here we go. The main menu have 3 items: home, catalog, contact. I am going to put another item like about us page. Here we go. Click this and add. You can see our about us page is here now. If we want to make all 3 items as a drop down options, then you have to click these dots and drag it little bit right. Make this drag little bit right. You can add it here. You can add it here. Just dragging with mouse, you can easily make it drop down. Save menu. Now visit the store. You can see our menu has become drop down. Here is the admin panel of Shopify. You have to click the setting options, and in setting you will find a payment option. Click this. Here we go. Here you will find different sections like payment providers, supported payment methods, manual payment methods, and payment capture. You have to go to set a payment provider. Click this, choose a provider. Here we go. Here is the list of all payments provider available for Shopify. For my country, they are not available, and only 2 checkout is available for my country. So I have to set up this payment gateway. Click this. You should have account at 2 checkout, and you have to put here the merchant code and the secret code, and then activate to checkout. Now at this point, I'm going to attach a bogus gateway so that I can test the order on Shopify. Let's do it. Click here, activate. Now our bogus gateway, payment gateway has activated. Now you can easily place an order from Shopify. Let me do it. I'm going to a Cognito window and will paste my Shopify store link. I'm going to buy this product. Here we go. add to cart, checkout. Now you have to put the bogus card number, name, expiration date, and put some security code, bogus security code here. And now billing address, now you will click the pay now button. Now your order has confirmed. You will receive an email from Shopify, or if you add the number, then you will receive a message from Shopify. So let me see, I have received this order or not. Here is it. So this is a way to add payment gateway in your Shopify store and to order from the Shopify. How to work with shipping, how to set up shipping, how to set the rates of shipping in your Shopify store. Without wasting time, let's come to the computer screen. Now, here is the dashboard of my Shopify store, and I have to go to the shipping section. For this, you have to click setting, and here you will find the option shipping and deliveries. Here we go. Now at this time, my customer would not be able to check out because I do not have any shipping zone, any shipping setup, any shipping rate at this time. Let's come and do it. Here you will find a shipping option, and you have to create the shipping zones, and for every zone you have to set up some prices. For example, here is the journal shipping, and I have to manage this. In journal, you will have all the products by default, and now I'm going to create the shipping zones. Create this. For example, for my country, I am going to type here, I'm going to, here is it. Now my shipping zone has created. Now I will put the rates for this shipping zone. At rate, I'm going to offer free deliveries across this shipping zone. I have to name the rate and I have to put the prices. Prices is 0. Done. Now my first zone has created and the rate for this zone has also created. Now I'm going to create another zone. Let me select the Asia and I am going to name it Asia. Done. And now I will put the rates for Asia. Now Asia rates, and for example I'm going to put 500 RS for Asian zones. Now you have created two zones where you want to ship, where you want to market your products. One is Pakistan and one is Asia. Now we have created two shipping zones and we have created the rates for these shipping zones. After setting it up, you have to save. Here we go. Now our shipping has set and we have to go back. Here we go. Now we have a journal profile, and in journal profile we have rates for Asia and Pakistan zone. If you wanna create more profiles, for example, I'm going to put another profile like UK, and I'm going to add product to UK, like I'm going to ship or sell these items to UK. I will select it from here. Now two products have selected. Now I will create the shipping zone for this profile. Create a shipping zone UK. You have to click here and select the Ukraine. United Kingdom is here. And done. Now you will have to set the rates for shipping to this zone. I'm going to name it UK ship and putting 1000 RS to this zone. Done. Now I have two profiles. One is journal profile. You have to save it before leaving. Now I have two profile. One is journal profile and I have shipping zones, Asia and Pakistan, and I have rates for these two zones. And I have another profile which name is UK and having only two products, having shipping zone and having rates for these zones. Now take a look on some other matter. Scroll down a little bit and you will find a processing time here which is inactive. I have to manage it and set some processing time here. Same business day, 2 days. I'm going to put it 2 days processing time. Go back and we'll do some other things. Here is the local delivery. If you are offering a local delivery, you have to click here. Location offers locality delivery using postcode. You have to put your postcode here and you have to put prices here, delivery information here, and you can create the delivery zone, another delivery zone also. So setting it up, you have to save. Now go back and you can add the packages here. If your product have some specific packaging, you have to add package, name of package, box, envelopes or soft packages. You can put their length and width depending upon the situation or depending upon your requirement. I have saved two packages. Here is the packing slip. You can edit your packing slips from here, and here is the carrier account. If you are using some third party for shipping, then you have to enable third party calculated rates and checkout. You have to upgrade it, your plan, like you are using FedEx, UPS and some other companies for shipping your products, then you have to upgrade your plan from here. And here is the customer order fulfillment. If you are going to do a drop shipping, then you have to put add fulfillment services and messages here. So this is the way to add shipping in your Shopify store. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Keep watching the next one.